Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Mega High-Tech System and you are on to Learn with Aizen Pencil. If this is your first time of stumbling into our channel, please do kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video you get to see. And also please do subscribe and like our videos. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to convert Word document into PDF. Alright, let's dive into the lecture.
So the first thing you need to do is to go over to your browser, go to your Google browser and you type Word to PDF. Now you have a lot of options that you can choose from, but I normally go for this one because it's very easy to navigate through. Alright, I'll click on that. When you click on that, the page opens up. Then you will have to click on select Word file. You have to click on select Word file. Then go to select the file that you want to convert to PDF. Select the file you want to convert to PDF. Alright, I'll go to my documents. Alright, let's say I want to, okay, let me search for some good documents I have on my, alright, let me say I want to convert this particular Word file to PDF. You click on it and click on open and it takes you down to the page. Alright, now you can see it here. Click on convert to PDF. I'll click this convert to PDF and here it is converting. It has finished converting. When it finishes converting, it tells you to download your PDF. So you download. It will take you, when it downloads, it takes your file to your download folder. So all you need to do is to go to your download folder. Go from here. Go to your download folder. Wow, look at the file here. That's converted it to PDF. So guys, I hope this was helpful.